Hey, what's going on guys? Eli here. Today we got the Stüssy Nike Air Flight 89 low sneakers in the Habanero red and white colorway. Now this sneaker was part of the Stüssy Flight 89 pack that released with two other colorways. It dropped with a con colorway and a black colorway. They did retail for $160 each, and for me the cream of the crop was this Habanero red and white colorway. I thought it was the best looking one, with the pecan colorway coming in as a close second for me. They came in a simple off-white box with your typical Nike and Stüssy branding, and they also included a nice little Stüssy sticker, so I thought that was a nice touch. Looking at the shoe, at the toe box, we got some nice perforated leather, and then moving up, we got the Air Stüssy embroidered on a padded tongue. Then at the side, we got that, of course, that beautiful snake skin with the Stüssy logo lace holder. We got more perforated leather on the side with a small Nike swoosh. We got the red plastic lace holders. And then right next to that, we got a really heavily padded collar. And then below, of course, that visible Nike Air bubble. At the rear, we got the Nike Air embroidered. And then below that, we have a typical traction pattern at the bottom. It pretty much has the same midsole and outsole as a Jordan 4, so just keep that in mind. I wasn't able to fully remove the insole, but I did confirm that it has a typical blue Ortholite insole. So let's see how these hold up on feet.
On feet, I went true to size and that worked well for me, but they do fit snug, so if you like a bit of extra room, I would go up a size. They were definitely comfortable. If you've worn a Jordan 4 or like an Air Max 1 or something similar, then you know exactly how these feel. You can feel that air bubble doing its thing, and like I said, it's just a comfortable shoe. I love the chunky, low silhouette. It looks really good with baggier jeans or baggier sweats. That red on white just really pops so well, and the snakeskin adds a bit of flair. I'm really looking forward to putting some fits together for this shoe, and I'm just super happy with them.
So hopefully we do get to see more of the Air Flight 89 low silhouette. I really like the silhouette. The ones I've seen are only really the regular highs. I believe this is the first low we've seen from the Air Flight 89 series. So I really do hope they continue that low series for this shoe, because it could be another really nice low chunky sneaker. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.